Half or quarter the potatoes, depending on how large they are. The larger ones I do like to quarter. These are Melissa's Baby Dutch potatoes, and it is a 1.5 pound bag. There they are. Then what I'm going to do is I just thought this would be good, chili garlic sauce. What can be bad about that? I'm also going to add a little bit of olive oil. I could use peanut oil or sesame oil, but olive oil is what I have on here. And then a good stir. See if I need more chili garlic paste. I'd say I'm pretty well covered here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be tasty. And I'm gonna spread these out on a baking sheet lined with foil, roast them in 425 oven. I don't think I will add salt, but not pepper, because I think that might be a little bit too much, at least for our palates, of the spice. But I will go ahead and add some salt. A nice generous bit of salt. Stir it up again. And it's ready for the baking sheet. We're gonna have this with steak for dinner tonight. And I also have a salad. So yeah, it's something very simple, but memorable, and so easy. Okay, back in the oven they go, and then they'll be done. Yay! For the full recipe, please visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.